Let's unbox this one from bol.com. Let's open this. Okay, this one. Tang tarang tang tang. Yay! Tang tarang tang tang. This one. Okay. Yep. This one. Okay. This one. I ordered this one in the bol.com. This one. Yes, this one. This one. And USB cord. And then it has a cord. This one. This is a 2-in-1 rechargeable hair remover and eyebrow trimmer. The product details is 2-in-1 rechargeable hair remover and eyebrow trimmer blade. Put voltage. So charging, USB charging. Charging times is 8 hours. Working times is 40 minutes. So you have to charge this one 8 hours. 2-in-1 rechargeable hair remover and eyebrow trimmer. The product features is designed with light, precision blades used with no pin, portable, you can carry it to anywhere easily, washable blade, you can wash the blades by water, USB charging, you can charge the trimmer by mobile power, computer, and USB adapter. So, meron siyang adapter. This one, USB. And then, this one also. This is it. Shiver for ladies. Let's read. Ladies. Instruction. Eyebrow trimmer. This trimmer is conveniently designed for household use. It doesn't need to charge before first use. Remove the trimmer and the charging cable from packing material, and charger is not included in the packing. Number 3. Connect the charger to the trimmer with the charging cable. Be sure that the trimmer is in the off position when charging. So when the trimmer is low in power, it should be connected to the maximum charger with the charging cable, and the battery will take approximately 8 hours to charge. Once charged, one charge for using 60 minutes. So once this one is charged, you can use it for 60 minutes, so 1 hour. Battery life may be extended with the following procedure. only charge the device when charging is required. A charge is required when the product begins to slow down or the trouble. If the device is fully discharged, apply a charge right away to prevent damage or inability to recharge. Do not overcharge. Change the device at moderate temperature. Do not change below freezing or at a higher temperature. Do not leave the device connected to the charger when it is not plugged into an outlet. So this one, so let's open it. So this is it. So this is the one, the USB. So if you want to charge it, put it here, like this one. This one, and then this one, if you will change it. And this is the one, so then you can change this one to this one, and you can change it. So this one. So if you don't want to use this one, you can use this one. You can open that and change it and use this one. If you want to use, I buy this one because I buy this one for, you have just want to own this one. If you want to use. If you use this one, this one is only for eyebrow. And if you want the other one, for example, you want for the armpit or facial, you use this one. So we have to put this one. You want to remove your hair, this one, and then. But this one is designed. You want to remove your arm here, so you have to use this one, and then armpit do like that. Arm here, leg here, and bikini. So you can remove this one, and you can wash it with water. This one, only this one, not this one. And also this one, you can wash it with water. This one also. My eyebrow. So you have to close this one. If you don't want to use this one, if you are finished using, you have to close this one. You have to close like that. So ang ganda niya, no? Very, siya, elegant. To be honest, ganda talaga siya. And so far, this product is very nice. When you look at it in person, cleaning and maintenance for this one. So switch the application off and twist and remove the trimming head. Use a small brush to wipe away any hair or dust lightly. So this one, this is the brush including. So replace the trimming head after cleaning. Make sure that appliance is still
this one
in the
is
off
only
position.
for
Put the
USB.
protective cap on the trimmer for storage after each use. Clean the trimmer every time you have used it. Do not use any corrosive detergent, scoring pads or clothes, nail polish remover, etc. To clean the appliance, water will cause damage to the appliance. Switch the appliance off, twist and remove the trimming head, then remove the trimmer blade. Remove the trimmer blade. Use a small brush to wipe away any hair or dust and replace the trimming head after cleansing. Make sure the appliance is still in the off position. So let's try. So far, okay talaga siya. Hindi na ako mahirapang mag-trim ng eyebrow ko.